Students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss Theorem 10.2 of chapter 10. Theorem is that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of the tangent drawn from an external point, जो टेंजेंट एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से ड्रा की जा रही है वो फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट टू अ सर्कल पर वो दोनों टेंजेंट इक्वल होगी। हमको यही बात प्रूफ करनी है स्टूडेंट। फर्स्टली वी ड्रा अ फिगर। This is circle and center is O. Tangent drawn from an external point. This is tangent and this is the radius of the circle. Already we have proved if we draw radius is perpendicular of the tangent. Suppose this is P, Q and R. हमको ये प्रूफ करना है कि दिस इज इक्वल टू दैट। तो गिवन क्या है? गिवन है a circle with center O, a circle with center O. With center O. To prove PQ is equal to P. Proof। थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन कर देते हैं। Join radius OQ and OR। Proof OQ is perpendicular on PQ and OR is perpendicular on PR. Then after we take both triangle. If both triangle are congruent by CP/CT, PQ is equal to PR. So already students we know that radius is perpendicular on tangent. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. This angle is equal to this. Both are 90. OP is common in both triangle and OQ is equal to OR, radii of the circle, according to SAS triangle are congruent, so that by CP/CT PQ is equal to PR. In triangle POQ and triangle POR. OP is equal to OP common, angle PQO is equal to angle PRO each 90 degree and OQ is equal to OR radii of the circle, so that triangle POQ is congruent to triangle POR. Therefore, by CT PQ is equal to PR by CP. इस तरीके से ये थ्योरम प्रूफ हो गई है। स्टूडेंट, let us move towards the exercise 10.2. Question number first. Exercise 10.2. Question number first. From a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25. Find the radius. ये एक सर्कल है, इस सर्कल का एक सेंटर है और ये आपकी रेडियस है। और यहाँ से गिवन है the length of the tangent 24 है, the length of the tangent is 24 and distance is 25. This is 24 centimeter and this is 25 centimeter. Find the radius O Q P. So the radius of the circle is what? In triangle POQ, angle OPQ is equal to 90 डिग्री। ये आपका 90 डिग्री क्या हो जाएगा? According to Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. H is OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. This is what? 25 square is equal to R square plus 24 square. 625 R square plus 576. 625 when plus is transferred to the minus. R square is equal to 9 and 4. r is equal to under root 49 is equal to 7 centimeter. So that radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. This is your answer. Question number 2. Figure is given. Both radius and this is tangent. Angle is 110. POQ. If TP and TQ are tangent to a circle with center O, so that POQ is equal to 110. Given TP and TQ are tangent of a circle, angle POQ is equal to 110. To find angle PTQ is equal to, student, this angle is 90 and this is also 90. Solution, आप क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी ले सकते हो और ये भी लिख सकते हो कि दिस प्लस दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंगल P is equal to 90, angle Q is equal to 90, angle POQ is equal to 110. आप 360 से भी इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, 180 से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ एंगल POQ प्लस एंगल PTQ is equal to 180. 110 plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. This is your answer. Angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं स्टूडेंट. Question number 3. If tangent PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O, ये टेंजेंट है फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से PA and PA and PB are the tangent to a circle with center O, are inclined to each other at 80 degree. inclined है each other 80 डिग्री पर, each other at 80 degree. What is the angle POA? ये बताना है, ये एंगल POA is what? The student, एंगल गिवन है, गिवन एंगल APB is equal to 80 degree. To find angle POA, ये फाइंड करना है. तो ऑलरेडी you know that this is the bisector line. Then what? Angle APO is equal to half into angle APB. So half into 80 is equal to 40 degree. Now in triangle POA, this is 90 tangent, तो एंगल PAO प्लस एंगल POA प्लस एंगल APO is equal to 180 degree. एंगल PAO is equal to 90 degree. Tangent to a circle, tangent to a circle 90, and angle POA I don't know, and APO is equal to 40 degree is equal to 180. So 90 plus 130 plus angle POA is equal to 180 degree. Angle POA 180 minus 130 is equal to angle POA is equal to 50 degree. Student, this is your answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is that prove that the tangent drawn at the tangent drawn at the ends of diameter of a circle are parallel. ये प्रूफ करना है हमको. Prove that the tangent drawn at the ends of the diameter. Firstly, we draw the figure. This is the circle and this center and this is diameter. This is diameter and this is tangent. सपोज करिए ये है, ये B है और ये सेंटर होगा. तो ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट Tangent is perpendicular on the radius. Proof. Already we know that, or already we have proof. Tangent is perpendicular on radius of the circle. Means what? This is 90 and this is also 90. Suppose angle 1 and this is angle 2. It means what? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Each 90 degree and alternate interior angle. Already you know that when alternate interior angle are equal, so that tangents are parallel. So that tangents are parallel. Drawn from the ends of diameter के एंड से खींची गई जो भी टेंजेंट होगी वो क्या होगी? पैरेलल ही होगी एक दूसरे के, क्योंकि दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल and this angle is equal to that angle. It is possible when this line is parallel to that line. Thank you, student.